Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your phone number on Linen. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your Linen wallet application from your app drawer and log into your wallet by entering your passcode. After you are signed into your wallet, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. Now, from the options displayed on the screen, tap on Recovery Kit at the top. Now select the option 3, that is Linen Recovery Key as access with phone number and email option at the bottom, and you will be displayed with your email and phone number. Tap on the phone number option and select your country code if you need. Also make sure to type in a new mobile number and tap continue. You will then receive a verification code sent to your new mobile number. Enter the code that you received via SMS on your new mobile number you're trying to change to. After doing that, you will be able to change your phone number on Linen Wallet. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.